Welcome back. In this section, we'll discuss how to log off another logged in user forcefully. Many times happen like the multiple same system is getting used by the multiple users, yeah, and where the one of the application or the particular file is opened by another user, and you need to work on this, but by it's getting used by some other, so you cannot edit that file and many this kind of happen, so you need to like log off another user forcefully, yeah, without rebooting, because if you're going to reboot that, it will automatically shine out other users also, but you don't want to do that. So you can do this through the task manager. Right click on the task manager, you can go to users tab. Here you can find that all users logged in users. So here you can see that only one user is logged in, like in this my user id. So let's create another test user account, and then I'll log in with that account. You can right click on the start menu and then click on the computer management. Here you can click on the local users and group and then users. Yeah. Here we can create a one user, test user 2. Yeah. Let's set a password. I'm just removing the user must change the password next login. Let's create this. And let me log in with the another user. Okay, so I have logged in with another user also. Here you can check that, like this user is test user 2 connected right now. Is it disconnected? Showing the state is disconnected because I am logged in currently with this user ID. But still, this is running a many application inside that. You can check this also, yeah. So now you want to log up this user forcefully. So you can do one thing, you can just select this and then sign out. Many times it doesn't happen, it doesn't work out. So what we can do that, yeah, so many times you find that you're unable to log off this user forcefully by this option, yeah, from here, because that one of the process is getting blocked through the desktop windows manager.exe. So for that you can do one thing, you can just go, if it doesn't work, if by selecting this user and sign out it doesn't work, it means one of the process is getting blocked by the desktop windows manager.exe, yeah. So you can find under details. So you have to find the dwm.exe process. This is a desktop window manager process. Yeah, so there is the two, because there's a two users are currently logged on. So that's why the two processes running. One of the would be of the your user ID. So through the ID you can see this normally should be visible your user ID, but it's not showing. So most probably I believe this could be the lower one. You need to do that. So you just select this and then click on that task, and after that you can just select the user ID and then sign out. Yeah. Yeah. So through this way, you can sign out the user or log off the user forcefully